Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips and tutorials. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to fix a forgotten Messenger pin code. So if you've logged yourself out of Facebook Messenger, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app. Once the app is open, you'll see the enter pin screen if you've forgotten your pin. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option that says Forgot PIN. Tap on that. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Messenger will prompt you to log into your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook email or phone number and password. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to a screen where you can reset your PIN, enter your new PIN that you'll remember, and then confirm it. Once you've set your new PIN, you'll see a confirmation screen that your PIN has been successfully reset. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Messenger PIN. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends who might need this guide. If you have any questions and need further assistance, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.